Here we are this morning with a beautiful 2019 Ford F-150 Lariat 502A package, the highest package on the Lariat. This can be yours. This is available as a takeover on a lease for only $553 a month. That's it, $553 a month for a beautiful 2019 502A Lariat. It has black leather on black exterior, FX4 navigation, and it's got our fuel efficient 2.7 liter V6 turbocharged engine. This is a great truck. We're looking for somebody to take this over as a lease for the remaining 14 months of it. It is in excellent condition. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Give us a call, 905-372-3673, or email us at sales@fraserfordcobourg.ca. Thanks again. Look forward to talking to you soon.